Hello, my dear brother and sisters. As you may know, in 2 months, China will host the first genocide Olympic. The clock is ticking. Please join us in calling for full diplomatic boycott now. India, Japan, UK, Australia, and 16 more countries boycott Beijing Olympic. And I urge you to please share this message as much as possible. Please help us to reach out to the right one. If you feel sorry for the humanity, China has been a bad actor, liar, cheater. Everyone on this earth knows it. For decades, the rising risk of stealing IP intellectual property from foreign countries, from continuing to stonewall on the WHO investigation of COVID-19 origin to perpetrating genocide and committing mass human rights violation. China has demonstrated again and again that they do not deserve the honor associated with hosting the Olympic. And the game should be hosted elsewhere, like Japan or UK. I feel sorry for the Chinese citizen who can't enjoy their freedom. Communist Party jailed like Wuhan citizen journalists over COVID-19 report. It's close to death. Top Chinese diplomats are corrupted and they buy the whole media. So far, over 160 Tibetans in Tibet self-immolated, burned themselves their bodies because of Chinese communists oppressed. Could you believe that? Over 160 Tibetans in Tibet self-immolated. Where are the medias? World medias are sleeping. They are corrupted. The Chinese dominated whole world. All the diplomatics are Chinese puppet. Wake up, free world. Now we have to open our eyes. What China is doing to us to hold this humanity world. We have to grow up now. We know the bloods in their hands. All the dignitaries, diplomatic around the world, they are also involved with Chinese diplomatic. They are corrupted. We have to wake up now. Wake up. And I applaud British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, Australia Prime Minister Scott Morrison, and USA President Biden's strong leadership. I'm sure Canada will follow the same path. And yes, I urge Mr. Turu to join US for a full diplomatic boycott now. Remember our two Canadian Michaels. Please, we need a complete and total boycott of the Beijing Olympic. Thank you, Member of European Parliament at EPP Group, #Human Rights in #China and Hong Kong, #Olympic, #No Rights, No Show. I'll not be watching the Olympic game. Shame on International Olympic Committee. I strongly suggest that while there is still time, the Winter Olympic game be transferred to other country as soon as possible. By holding the Winter Olympic in China, the International Olympic Committee is pro-genocide, pro-sexual assault, pro-abduction of female athletes, pro-censorship, pro-communist suppressions, on and on and on. Thank you, Enis Cancer Freedom. You are in our 6 million Tibetans heart. Thank you, Enis Cantor. You are a true hero. And I like your last name called Freedom. I like it, bro. Thank you. Respect to you.
People, China lie.
People die.
China lie.
People die.
We salute Tibetan martyrs. We salute
Tibetan martyrs.
We salute
Tibetan martyrs.
No Olympic
In Beijing.
No Olympic
In Beijing.
No Olympic
In Beijing.
No Olympic
In Beijing.
No. Long live
Dalai Lama.
Long live
Dalai Lama.
And last, not the least, thank you again, Cantor Freedom. Thank you, freedom fighters like Tenzin Tsundu, Chime, Sangikyap, Pema, and the list are on and on and on. Thank you, SFT, and thank you, TYC. Long live Dalai Lama. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Pögelo.